what's up YouTube? This is G-Mac, another video. We're going to go over my trading last week. As you can see, we've got 20 green days here. This is the account I've had since December. So we was able to take another payout. These are the three that I've took already. My last one was $11.49 on this account. And my other one, it was like $7.70 or something. But I'm just going to scroll down and kind of let you look. We've got 22 days, 20 for 22, 77% winning percentage. We're doing good. We've had a few days, where we've kind of went into some drawdown that we shouldn't went into, but for the most part, we've been doing pretty good. And this is the second account that I've got. This was in 1 week, so we made 3% on this one in 1 week. I'm trying to copy trade these together, and hopefully I can get some more added to it, but for now we're happy with this. We've got pretty good winning percentage on this for this week. So that's that, and this is the Top Step X platform. As you can see, I'm copy trading. We'll go to the performance stats for last week. So this one we made right at 2% last week. We was doing pretty good, as we usually do. And this is the new account, and it's the same, I guess, where we've copy traded them. But that's all we're trying to do, is just be consistent, stack some more accounts, and grow. I just do this for accountability. I want to get some more videos out on different strategy and whatever, but just kind of show you, if an old hillbilly from Kentucky can do this and learn this, anybody can. So if you're having a hard time, just keep grinding, keep doing the best you can do, and just try to compound those small wins, and it'll work out for you. But until then, I appreciate you. God bless you, and good luck trading.